Welcome back to a new video. In this video, we are going to create an AI content creation tool using LangChain and Python. Let's start coding. So I'm in VS Code right now. I'm going to be using this code editor in this video. You can use any code editor that you want. It's completely up to you. You can use PyCharm, Google Colab, or anything that you want. I'm going to start by creating a folder like content creator.ipynb. And next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by removing the warnings because I don't want to see any type of depreciation warning when I'm coding. So because they are useless, I will say ignore. And next I'm going to import to LangChain for showing you the LangChain version that I'm using. You can install this version for having a smooth experience because sometimes codes working behind them can change with library updates, and you can do it by pip install LangChain 0.2.12 on Windows, pip3 install LangChain 0.2.12 on Mac from the terminal, like you can type it in here. Okay, so we are going to create a content creation assistant, and we will need prompt template, large language model chain, and OpenAI from LangChain. So let's start with importing them. From LangChain, import prompt template and large language model chain. And from LangChain.large language models, import OpenAI like this. Okay, for using OpenAI's models, you need an OpenAI API key. It's free to create. You can visit the OpenAI Playground website. You can simply type OpenAI API Playground and it's going to navigate you to the OpenAI's website, or you can simply type OpenAI Playground and you will find the website. It's free to create an API key, and this video is going to cost about 10 or 20 cents in my opinion, not more, but maybe 30 cents. But they gift you free $5, so you don't need to spend anything for this video. You can create an account, then create an API key for free and enter that. I'm not going to give you mine, but you can use this method for having your API key. I will say import operating system, and I will say operating system environment, and I'm going to set my OpenAI API key as environment variable like this. It starts with SK. I'm going to paste it in here, then I'm going to run this cell, and I'm going to be re-recording after that process. Okay, I have my API key ready right now. Now we are going to create a prompt template. Prompt template is a crucial part of our system. It defines how we will ask the language model to generate text. Our template will take a user-defined topic and generate a social media post about it. So we will say prompt template, and it's going to be initializing prompt template. We will say input variables is going to be the topic. We are going to only take the topic from the user, and template is going to be create a short, engaging social media post about, and we will give the topic dynamically that we take in here. So the user is going to give this topic. So this is going to be our prompt template. And now we are going to set the chain. So large language model chain combines the prompt template with a language model to create a functional chain that can generate text based on the user input. And we are going to run this chain by the run command in the next step for getting outputs from our model. But first let's initialize our large language model like OpenAI, and then actually I get a depreciation error in here. I'm surprised. Let me rerun this to first cell, and I'm going to make it run again. Okay, now we don't get. And now I'm going to create my chain like large language model chain is going to be LangChain. Prompt is going to be the prompt template, and large language model is going to be the large language model. And now we are going to create a function to generate post where we are going to use the run command on our chain. So say define create social media post topic, and we will say LangChain, actually not LangChain. Response is going to be large language model chain dot run, and we will say topic Topic is going to be the thing that we are going to be taking from user at the starting point of the function, and we are going to return the response. So our tool is ready. Now we can create engaging social media posts. Let's test it out. Let's define a topic like, let's say, the importance of recycling, and post, let's say, create social media post, and we'll paste the topic inside, and let's print our post and read it. Let's do our part in keeping our planet clean and green. Recycling is a simple yet impactful way to reduce waste and conserve resources. Every small action counts towards a sustainable future for generations to come. And it also produces hashtags like this. So it's working smoothly. Let's test that more. Let's say post is going to be create social media post, and let's create something about artificial intelligence news. And let's see our post. Exciting news in the world of technology. Artificial intelligence is making huge strides with groundbreaking advancements in healthcare, transportation, and more. Stay updated with the latest AI news and be amazed by the limitless possibilities, AI, future tech, and innovation. Great, so let's do one more. Post, create social media posts, new finance videos I shared. And let's test it, what it's going to print. Calling all finance enthusiasts. Check out the new videos I shared on my profile that will help you level up your money game. From budgeting tips to investing strategies, these videos have got you covered. Don't miss out on the chance to level up your financial knowledge. Click the link in my bio to watch now. New finance videos, money tips, and investing wisdom. So, it's working perfectly. And since our tool is ready and we test out and it's working perfectly, we can finish our video. Let's summarize what we did in this video and then we can finish. We started with ignoring the warnings. I imported LangChain for showing you the version that I'm using on my environment and showed you how we can install that. We imported prompt template and large language model chain with OpenAI, and we defined the OpenAI API key as environment variable. Then we created our prompt template, which takes dynamically input topic and puts it in here, and the template is create a short engaging social media post about this. And we initialize our language model. Then we create our chain, like prompt is going to be the prompt template and the large language model is going to be the large language model. And then we define a function such as create a social media post where we run the chain and we test it out and it's working perfectly. It even generates hashtags and emojis. Great. Thanks for watching my video. I'm sharing new data science videos every week on my channel. You can subscribe for more. I have a playlist of LangChain and AI tutorials. You can check that playlist from the cards of this video for similar videos. Have a great day.